Good morning, children. Today we are going to know about India geography. Today in this class we are going about to know about India geography. In this lesson, in this chapter, you are going to learn about shape, size, boundaries, physical features, union territories and states. In this lesson, we are going to know about children what and all we are knowing to you are going to know means shapes and size, boundaries, physical features, union territories and states. Let's begin. Okay, children. Which is our country? Which is our country, children? India is our country. Everybody know India is our country. Yes or no? Today we can discuss about India's shape and size. India is located in the northern hemisphere on the southern part of the continent of Asia. This kite-shaped subcontinent is narrow at the top and bottom are wider in the center. The southern part of the country forms a peninsula surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It's on its south, Arabian Sea on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal on the southeastern side. One can easily recognize India on the world map. Yes, children, you know that India is our country. So here India is located in northern hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere on the south part of the continent of the Asia. It is like a kite shaped subcontinent. If you see here, it is kite shaped subcontinent. It is narrow at the top and wider in center. It is wider in the center. It is narrow. This is narrow at the top and top to bottom and is wider in the center. The southern part of a country forms a peninsula surrounded by the Indian Ocean. What is peninsula, children? Peninsula means piece of land. Can you write it down? Can you write it down in one book? Take your pencil, take your rough note. What is peninsula means? Peninsula means a piece of land projecting into a water formed from larger land mass. So, peninsula means a piece of a land projecting into the water from the larger land mass. Okay, children. India is a subcontinent. Have you know the continents? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. This and all it's not in your textbook. This 7 continent and all not in your textbook. Please write it down in your rough note. There are 7 continents. Which are the 7 continents? North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Again I will say children, continents. There are 7 continents: North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. So I said no, children, that India is kite shaped subcontinent, is narrow at the top and wider in the center. Okay. Now I said no. What is peninsula? A piece of a land projecting into the water from larger land mass. Peninsula. Okay. Now peninsula is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. Children. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. Can you see the Indian Ocean here? It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal of southeastern side. This is southwest side. This is southeastern side. One can easily recognize India on the world map. So, one can easily recognize India on the world map. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Which is the first largest country in the world, children? Can you say me? Which is the first largest country? No. Can you everybody know? No. So, I will say which is the first largest country, which is second largest country. The first largest country is Russia. The second largest country is Canada. Please write it down. This is all not in your textbook. First is Russia, second one is Canada, third one is China, fourth one is USA, that is United States of America. Fifth one is Brazil, sixth one is Australia, seventh one is India, eighth one is Argentina, ninth one is Kazakhstan, 10th one is Algeria. Understood? Can I repeat once again? Can you write it down? Yes. First largest country is Russia. This is not in your textbook. Please write it down in your rough notebook. Russia, Canada, third one is China, fourth one is United States of America, that is USA, fifth one is Brazil, sixth one is Australia, seventh one is India, eighth one is Argentina, ninth one is Kazakhstan, and 10th one is Algeria. Understood? So, India is the 7th largest country in the world. The Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea are the part of the India. So, the Andaman and the Nicobar Island, the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea are the part of the India. The distance from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3,214 kilometers, and the Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat is nearly 2,933 kilometers. This distance is taken place from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari. On the main land of the country is Kanyakumari is the last point, but extension to the highland. So, Kanyakumari is the last point, children. Kanyakumari is the last point that extends the island. So, Indra Point in the Great Nicobar Island is the southernmost tip of the country. So, Great Nicobar Island, Indra Point, that is it is a Great Nicobar Island. It is a southern tip of the country, southernmost tip of the country. So, this is northern, this is southernmost tip of our country, Indra Point. So, boundaries.